So basically, I think this course is very helpful to everyone at all ages from any background. So with this ChatGPT, I thought that things would be very basic level only, but it's really mind-blowing. The information that we have gotten, the things that we are learning here is beyond what you have expect. So if with AI itself, it goes beyond what a human can imagine. Well, I think Dr. Jerome is a very knowledgeable person. So he is very friendly and he's very patient in teaching us as well. He's a person also that is very passionate in AI. So he's definitely the right person to teach us on AI. So at the same time, his class is very engaging and it's fun as well. So we have a lot of hands-on. It's not just about talking, but actually it's a lot of practicals that's going on as well that give us a more memorable towards the lesson, and it will help us to learn faster. So I believe that with whatever knowledge that he has shared with us will be very impactful for our daily life and for our research, for our work and career as well.